Oh god, I got flashbacks. Oh god. Are you serious right now, bro? Done. Oh man, now I see why I got. Now I see why I got those flashbacks. Cause this is too much. Wow, Shadow, you really did a good job with that one. It works, Sonic. Okay, I'm not gonna question your turn, Silver, but great job. Then we get back to my turn. Where things go hilariously wrong. Never mind. Never mind, that went oddly smooth. Wow, Shadow took it home. I guess he was still frustrated on getting a tie with Sonic 3 times in a row. I would be too. Great work, everybody.